Hi. Let's learn about cost of revenue. Cost of revenue refers to the total cost of manufacturing and delivering a product or service to consumers. This information is found in a company's income statement and is designed to represent the direct costs associated with the goods and services the company provides. Cost of revenue is the total cost incurred to produce and sell a product or service. It includes all the costs associated with the production process, such as raw materials, labor, and overhead expenses. It is important for businesses to accurately determine their gross profit margin. The formula for the cost of revenue is, cost of revenue equals COGS plus shipping costs plus commissions plus warranties plus returns plus other direct costs. To calculate cost of revenue, it's important to consider the period used, beginning inventory, and other direct costs unique to a specific product line or industry. Direct materials, direct labor, manufacturing overhead, freight and shipping, duties and taxes, returns and warranties, commissions, and other direct costs may be included in the cost of revenue. These are the various costs associated with the production and delivery of a product or service. Cost of revenue is different from cost of goods sold because it also includes costs outside of production, such as distribution and marketing. The cost of revenue takes into account the cost of goods sold or cost of services provided plus any additional costs incurred to generate a sale. In a hypothetical example, XYZ Incorporated has a total revenue of $100 million, COGS of $15 million, and cost of services sold of $7 million. After calculating the cost of revenue, it was determined to be $31 million for the fiscal period, resulting in a cost of revenue to total revenue percentage of 31%. Operating expenses are often limited to expenses not tied to the manufacturing process, while cost of revenue is a broader group of expenses with many of the costs tied to the cost of goods sold. Yes, cost of revenue is an accumulation of the costs necessary to generate income specific to a product. Some aspects of cost of revenue, such as returns or warranties, may be reported as contra-revenue accounts. Cost of revenue is important because it allows a company to best understand all of the costs it incurs to generate income. With this knowledge, companies can more strategically deploy capital as they have a better sense of what capital is needed to raise certain amounts of revenue. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Cost of revenue is the total cost of manufacturing and delivering a product or service to consumers. 2. This metric is favored by the service industry because it is a more comprehensive account of the costs associated with selling a good or service. 3. Cost of revenue is different from cost of goods sold because the former also includes external production, such as distribution and marketing. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.